Hello guys, in today's video we are going to break down the top 5 best skateboarding bags this year. We finalized this list based on price versus performance and situations they will be used in. I've included options for every type of consumer, so if you're looking for the best value per dollar or the best product money can buy, we'll have the product for you. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Number 1, Thrasher Skateboarding Bag. We've chosen the Thrasher magazine embroidered skate mag logo duffel bag as our best choice for the best skateboarding bags. This bag is perfect for those on the road, traveling to tournaments, or who just want to check out every skate park in the world. The large main compartment gives you plenty of space to store your extra gear, while the bottom straps keep the skateboard secure, and some board might fit inside the bag itself. There's a heavy-duty zipper that ensures the bag stays secure, and if you're worried about people taking a peek inside, you can seal it with a padlock. On each end you'll find a medium-sized pocket to store anything you need to grab in a hurry, such as a water bottle or power bank. And the adjustable shoulder strap means it's comfortable for you to carry as you need and shift the weight if desired. Those who love to decorate their cars, books, or laptop with stickers will enjoy the assorted sticker set that comes with it, so you can show your support for Thrasher, even if you've never actually read the mag yourself. Overall, it's a fantastic, well-made, and reliable skateboarding duffel bag. We just wish there was a little variety with the colors, because imagine how confusing that might be if there are a bunch of skaters all traveling at once. The best key features are: large main component, heavy-duty zipper, medium side pocket each end, front embroidered logo, adjustable shoulder strap, skateboard carry straps on base. Moving to the pros. Assorted sticker set included. Standard boards capable of fitting inside bag. Spacious enough for additional gear. And for the cons. No variety of colors. Number 2, Ronnies Skateboarding Bag. If you're after a skateboarding bag that's so much more than just a skateboarding bag, the Ronnies Skateboard, Basketball, Laptop, Travel Backpack is the one for you. As the name suggests, it's versatile and appeals to a wide range of hobbies, which is especially useful if you like to dip your toe in as many activities as possible. The polyester construction is durable and guarantees a reliable exterior that feels well made and sturdy, and the waterproof coating protects your gadgets and devices on the inside. The buckle closure is adjustable to adapt it to the size of your skateboard, and they are also secure to keep the board in place. What we really love the most, though, aside from the adjustable straps, is the built-in USB. So you can keep your phone or tablet charging while on the go without taking up any extra space in the backpack. This is one of the first examples of such technology we've seen, at least we think it is, so there's no surprise we're impressed. The organized pockets make it an excellent choice for a college backpack or a school bag. And the ergonomic shoulder straps mean it feels comfortable no matter how much you pack inside. The top carry handle is also useful, and the convenient side pockets may not be able to store your water bottle, but there are still options for your wallet, keys, and more. The best key features are: polyester construction, buckle closure, waterproof coating, adjustable board straps, built-in USB, organized pockets. Moving to the pros. Ergonomic shoulder straps, separated compartments, versatile purpose. And for the cons. Zippers are not as durable as we'd like. Number 3, Hubro Designs Slimfit Skateboarding Bag. The Hubro Designs Slimfit Backpack 2 is an excellent bag for your regular or off-road skateboard that does exactly the job you need it to, and then some. For one, it's versatile, offering 3 ways to use and carry it, including on your bag, over the shoulder. Or if you want to show off your lifting strength, you can carry it in your hand to impress everyone around you. Those with longboards will adore the fact you can slide larger boards inside with little issue, and the durable metal hardware ensures durability and quality, which is exactly what you need from a skateboarding bag, or any bag at all, to be honest. However, while it fits most longboard, there are some that are still not suitable. There are 2 exterior pockets to give you some extra space for storage, and means you don't need to keep dipping into the main compartment when on the move. Because we know how many things slip and slide around, especially during bumpy rides. The padded lining throughout ensures the board and anything you do keep inside stays safe from damage, and the heavy-duty zippers prevent tearing. The exterior boasts a 600D water resistance, so everything will be okay, relatively, anyway, if you get caught in a storm. The double stitching is tough, and the shoulder straps are stowable to for when you don't need them. The best key features are: Suitable for boosted longboards. 3 ways to carry. Durable metal hardware. 2 exterior pockets. Padded lining throughout. Heavy-duty zippers. Moving to the pros. Stowable back straps. 600D water-resistant exterior. Durable double stitching. And for the cons. Is not suitable for all longboards. Number 4, 187 killer pads backpack. If you already know about what the boys and girls at 187 killer pads can do, then the 187 killer pads, the standard issue skateboard backpack, will excite you more than you might care to admit. Just like their superb knee pads and elbow pads, this backpack is ready to handle any situation short of being launched into a volcano. And even then, we're not entirely convinced we'd bet against it. The heavy-duty Velcro straps keep the board secure and in place to ensure comfortable movement with little to zero swinging when you're on the move, and this complements the extreme durability that you'll find across every other inch of the backpack. Most impressive is the ballistic and abrasion-resistant 1000D fabric, which keeps everything you store inside safe from pouring rain and any apocalyptic scenarios you encounter. The shoulder straps are padded and adjustable to help you find the right fit, and the heavy-duty zippers are another feature that shows you that this is a backpack you can trust. The double-layer handle is easy to grab and sling over your back, and the breathable mesh panel keeps you cool when on the move. Inside, you'll enjoy intuitive storage options which make it a great for school, college, or even a work backpack, but the overall design, as tough as it is, might look and feel a little basic for some people's preferences. The best key features are: heavy-duty Velcro straps, extreme durability, ballistic abrasion-resistant 1000D fabric, intuitive storage, padded and adjustable shoulder straps, heavy-duty zippers. Moving to the pros. Custom logo pulls. Integrated double-layer handle. Breathable mesh back panel. And for the cons. Design might feel a little basic for some. Number 5, East Sport Skater Backpack. Simple, but that doesn't matter when you get something as affordable and as effective as the East Sport multi-compartment skater backpack. The polyester construction ensures protection and durability, while the zipper closure is high quality and secure to keep your bag from splitting open at the worst possible time. The zippers also glide better than your standard backpack, so you'll never be stuck fiddling around with them. Inside, there's an oversized compartment which offers plenty of space for whatever you need every day. At the back, there's an additional tech pocket for your laptop or tablet. But just because they call it a tech pocket doesn't mean you can't do what you want with it, and there's always space for a notebook or your favorite paperback. The dual Velcro front straps are secure, but unlike other options, they are not adjustable, so not all skateboards will fit comfortably within, and this could be a deal breaker for some of you. If not though, there's still a lot to enjoy about it, including side mesh pockets to put your key within easy reach or your water bottle to keep you hydrated during those long sunny days at the skate park. There's a limited lifetime guarantee, which provides peace of mind and demonstrates the quality you'll have on your hands, or rather your back, and with such a straightforward but ultimately reliable backpack, you can enjoy many years with it. The best key features are: polyester, zipper closure, oversized main compartment, interior tech pocket, dual Velcro front straps, side mesh hydration pockets. Moving to the pros. Easy glide zippers, comfort rubberized top carry handle, limited lifetime guarantee. And for the cons. Not all skateboards will fit comfortably within straps.